There is a massive game being played right now by short sellers. The price for a lot of stocks going down, for Tesla, Nvidia, whatever, even blue chip company is going down. However, there's one stock is going up and exploding from our resistance. We talked about it in the last month, and right now it's exploding. Let's discuss this stock, where we'll go to, and discuss the other stock is going near the support and where the reversal for a lot of stock in this red day. There is an opportunity to make in this kind of red days, so let's seize it and let's do a strategy of insiders. So let's get right to it and make some money. First off, we have AEI. Of course, if you're one of our hunter here on YouTube, you already saw our video that we talked about this channel, and we said if we hold it and we bounce perfectly around this ascending line, we're gonna see the price spike from the 0.59. And here we talked about in a pre-market update in Patreon and 30th of March, and guess what, the price is held perfectly as we expected to happen, because we are already inside this channel and we said the price will spike testing the 0.59, then spike up, and that's what happened today. Patience. Today is the 6th of April, almost 1 week after we did the video, and the price behaved as we expected to be, and the price went up. Today finally we overcome the 0.5948, and right now we holding it. So what we should expect, we're gonna see a double top around the 0.70, and this will be the ignition, the price to see the $1 around the $1 below the 0.99. Here we're gonna see another test, and again we needed to confirm. The best case scenario is holding above the 0.59, confirming, turning the resistance to support. This is the big signal for bullish trend forming and continuation for the spike. Otherwise, we're gonna see a bit of drawdown. However, we want to hold above this ascending line and this channel for AEI to confirm the price will spike to the $1. It was a really nice channel because it's been squeezed, then jump, then reloading, then jump again. The next one we have MULN. Yes, MULN is getting hammered by the short sellers right now. However, we still hold it above the $2. And guess what? Why we went down? Because we have this massive execution average and coil down on us. We tested around the 18th of March, and guess what? The price went down. Let me go back in the picture. This is how much short sellers are pushing the price down. We never went up before it, and even if we went back below it really fast. This time, will be a turning point if we hold the $2, and this time we overcome this execution average. This will be precisely around the $3.66. So the $3.66 will be the turning point for MULN, and this is need patience. We need to consolidate around this box above the $2, and this will confirm the accumulation phase to see the $5, then the $7. Next up we have INPP. We have many requests from you in the comment section, and as I promised, I will cover it for you today. And last time we covered it, we talked about the $1.45, and we bounced from it. After this jump down, we predict the price to go down around this resistance, because we said we need to close above the $2.80. We didn't. We went down to have accumulation phase around the $1.45. Then we jumped. Then we get a test around this gap, and the price went down. So the most important thing right now, where the reversal will happen. Will be pretty straightforward. The $1.45 is confirmed resistant. You see accumulation phase right now below the $1.45. This is confirmed that the short seller is resting here. They're resting here. The price will not go over until we have accumulation phase. Then the price will spike up. What's mean accumulation phase is mean investor will load up, buying in bulk, buying. This will drive the price go up and overcome the resistance around the $1.45. Right now the price will go to test this box of interest. Here we're gonna see a massive spike like what happened here around the 22nd of March. We're gonna see it again last fight for AMPP to see the price reversal. Here we're gonna see the price hold above the $1, then testing again the $1.45 for to confirm if we have a squeeze or not. If we overcount, we're gonna see a squeeze until the 2. Otherwise, we're gonna see the price rejection would be rejected again. Next up, we have DWAC is been bought back from the last video that we said the 45 again because we got rejected around the 65, and right now we're still holding. You see that the spike and the green candle forming, and the price right now closing above our support, the 45.42, right now 45.89. We need to hold in order to confirm that been bought here. This is support confirmed, and we need to consolidate at least for 2 days, 3 days, then we're gonna spike again for the 60. This is the good scenario. Otherwise, if we close below the 45 again, this will be a turning point to see the 37. Just be careful from this. We need to close above the 45. AMC is still struggling and holding above the 20. So the 20 is kind of psychological level after we clear the 2080. We didn't hold it, you see. So the moment that we didn't hold the 25, this is a warning sign for me. The second warning sign is the 2080. We didn't hold it. Right now we closing below it. Right now the psychological level, the 19. If we saw it, we mean we're gonna see the 1777, the most important turning point, because this is where we explode from this area. If you remember, we already did the video about it. We said this is explosion area for AMC. Right now turning back to the explosion area. This is really bearish to me. I prefer to hold above the 2080. However, right now we see a short interest accumulating for AMC after this spike. So right now we need to hold above the 20. If we saw the 19, this is psychological level, we're gonna see the 17, and this should be hold at least if we don't want to see the price really going down and see lower lows for this year. So the 1777 will be confirming if we see another sell-off for AMC below even the 12. So be careful. This should be holding and accumulate for the price. This is it for AMC, because as we said, this is the spike or the squeeze area. And let me just see BBIG. Yeah, BBIG is still accumulating in the same phase, still holding, even though a lot of short interest shorting many stock right now in the market. However, BBIG is still holding, so this is good that we still holding above the $2.66. As we said, we need to accumulate before we're gonna see a test for the $3.81, where we're gonna see the squeeze area for BBIG. Hopefully that was clear. If you have any question, let me know in comment section below, and we do live streaming on Friday on 8 p.m. Paris time to reply on all the questions that being asked for us in YouTube. We're gonna hunt together for the stocks and the crypto, of course, for the coming weeks to prepare for them. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative, and see you in the next update.